To break away again for a moment, we'll visit a quaint little house in the quaint little village of Woolmer Green in Hertfordshire to meet Harry MacDonald, the woodcarver. 2 years ago, Harry was a jobbing joiner, working happily enough for his father at Harwood near Leeds. When his father died, Harry came south and set up a business near Stevenage, making garden seats and bird baths. Then he tried his hand at a wooden figure for an advertisement, and since then, unlike Lot's wife, he hasn't looked back. He says he can't draw, but he can model, though he's only a joiner, and he'll probably add, very modestly, that he's got a good set of tools. And no doubt you'll agree that he's got a good set of hands as well. Sometimes a distinguished sitter drops in, and although all his models are wooden, it can't be said that any one of them has a wooden expression. His is the genius that makes them live, and as with dogs, so with birds. The charming people of Goofy Land come to life again at Woolmer Green.